What's up, guys? It's your girl Steph here. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas, baby, season 3. And I'm going to give you a tour of my wonderful, beautiful junior suite. But before we get into it, you know how we doing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Please comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Notifications. Let's get into this junior suite full room tour. First off, I want to say thank you so much to Royal Caribbean for the wonderful accommodations. They really take great care of me. And for those of you all that are new to my channel, welcome to the shenanigans. Welcome to season 3. If you have not seen season 2 or season 1, what are you doing? Go back and watch Alaska, the Oasis, my swinger cruise I went on. Yes, there's a lot you missed. But anyway, I know you guys like to see the room as like it would look when you first walk in. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the, no, I'm just kidding. So this is the room when you first walk in. It is embarkation day, so everything is super fancy and sparkly. These 2 beds can be split into 2 in case you're not trying to reach around and range it off with the person you are with. You've got your lamps, lovely pillows. I believe that sofa lets out. I'm just panning around the room. Your television, you've got some masks. That's all my stuff for work. Hey y'all! And we're just spinning around, plenty of cabinet space. You've got your refrigerator right there, 2 chairs, your coffee maker. And then in here, video is gonna be really quick today, guys. You have your walk-in closet. Bada bam, everything looks fantabulous. Look at all the space you have. And you got your robes. I mean, I'm just saying, y'all know I love a good robe. And this is the view for when you come out of your walk-in closet. You have another full-length mirror right here. Bada bam, bada baga, ba 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 ba. I'm sorry. Okay, I quit. And then out here is your balcony. So let's go balcony. Okay, you've got your nice little spacious balcony out here with your table. And that's your view. We're in Los Angeles right now, sailing to Ensenada, Mexico on these little 3-day weekend cruises. And this is the view from coming inside from your balcony. Isn't this nice? Very nice, very nice. I like the lighter. I was on the Serenade in Alaska, as I said, and that ship is a little bit older than this one. And what I noticed is they have lighter walls, and I like that. I like the light aesthetics. Okay, let's head into the bathroom, and y'all better sing the song. But this is my test to see if y'all know what song I'm getting ready to sing. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna count it down. 5, 4, season 3, 2, 1. We got a tub, and tubs are oh so cool. Sing it, y'all. Come on. We got a tub. It's like a really nice warm pool. Can we take it up? Oh, we got a tub. It keeps your body clean. Oh, yes. I said we got a tub, and it's oh so nice, not me. Come on, y'all. Come on. We got a tub. We got a tub. But anyway, I'm sorry. I love that song. Like, We Got a Tub is catchy. Comment below if y'all were singing along. We Got a Tub is catchy, doggone it. Anyway, okay, let me show you this bathroom. Y'all know y'all like We Got a Tub. Don't be trying to act brand new. So this is your lovely bathroom. And this is the view coming out of the bathroom. So this is where we're gonna be, guys. This is our new home for season 3. I hope you are ready for all of the fun shenanigans. Quick video, man. Quick video. Make sure you comment and like and subscribe. Wait, scratch it up. Have you all purchased your selfie CD yet? But I haven't been pushing them because honestly, I forget to do it. Purchase a selfie CD at divaoftheseas.com. They are autographed, ready to go for you guys. I'm going to insert the clip so you can see what they look like. That title track, Around the World, that played on the season 3 premiere video, that is on the selfie CD. So make sure you pick up your copy today at divaoftheseas.com. Guys, beautiful, right? Beautiful. I've packed swimming suits. I am ready for this warmer climate, ladies and gentlemen. I am so ready. I love Alaska, but I was like, I am tired of the rain. I am tired of the Chilligans Island. I am ready for some sunshine and bikini weather. And when I tell you Los Angeles is giving right now, it is so giving. So make sure you comment and like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video.
The lady still thanks you for watching.